Everybody's so white I'll be telling you about because I know most of us they can't do without so white. Yes, you be asking me the tube, the lotion. Now this is the serum, right? Yes, we have the serum, the concentrate, and all of them. So this is the serum, the oil. So I will indulge you on this one. Go give it a try on it and use it appropriately. Some of you want me to tell you everything about it, which I don't have much time on it now. Rather, you better come to meet me on my WhatsApp, and then we can have a good shot, and I explain more about it for you. So White is one of the best lotion and serum concentrate soap that I know. The whole of this set is good for white. Why you want to go white extreme also. But other than that, if you don't want to use all this tube, you don't want to use lotion, you can take injection. We'll be telling you injection and IVs and all that. You just contact us on injection and IV. So, and I tell you how you gonna minister it to yourself. Because some people they don't know, they might just say, oh, I've done that before. I took glutathione injection, it didn't work for me. I took this injection, it didn't work for me. The reason is because you don't know how to administer that to yourself, and then you thought maybe just the injection does all. Now there are other injections you have to add to other injections so a whole of a formula of a cocktail, so it's gonna work properly for you. So back to what we're saying about So White. Come on, give a try on this So White food set, or just the serum or the concentrate or the soap. You gonna see it's best used for you, so give it a try. Like as I told you, don't miss out for the training that is coming up. Join us for the training, just 5,000 naira to learn 7 items, how to mix 7 whitening items. All right, so bye bye.